Now, students, see page number 9. I am reading this paragraph. The capital needed in farming. Capital, money. It is a most important factor also. For the production, we need land, labor, as well as the capital also. You have already seen that the modern farming methods require a great deal of capital. You have already studied. Now, if farmers, if they are using modern farming methods, so they require, we can say, the lot of money, so that the farmer now needs more money than before. If they are using modern farming methods, so they need more money than earlier. Most small farmers have to borrow money to arrange for the capital. Those who are small farmers, so they have to take loan because they don't have money, they cannot arrange, so they have to take loan, they have to borrow money to arrange for the capital. They borrow from large farmers or the village money lenders or the traders who supply various inputs for cultivation. So from where they get money? From various sources. They take loan from money lenders or the traders who supply the we can say the inputs for them, as well as from the large farmers. The rate of interest on such loans is very high. So if they take loan from the money lenders, from the large farmers, as well as the traders, so their rate of interest is very high as compared to the bank loan. They are put to great distress. Distress underline. Distress means pain, suffering, to repay the loan. Means at the time of repaying, when they repay, so because of the we can say the less money, rate of interest is very high, and whatever they get, whatever they earn less, so they are suffered at the time of repaying the loan. Now, students, here you can see the story. You can read yourself also. Savita is a small farmer. She plans to cultivate wheat on her 1 hectare of land. Besides seeds, fertilizers, and pesticides, she needs cash to buy water and repair her farm instruments. Now, she needs cash, capital, money. Why? To buy for purchasing water, means to carry out, means for irrigation, and repair her farm instruments. She estimates that the working capital itself would cost a minimum of rupees 3,000. She does not have the money, so she decides to borrow from Tejpal Singh, a large. Now see this paragraph. You can see yourself. A large farmer. Tejpal Singh agrees to give Savita the loan at an interest rate of 24% for 4 months. Here we can understand the rate of interest is high, which is a very high interest rate. Savita also has to promise to work on his field as a farm laborer during the harvest season at rupees 35 per day. Now she promises because she needs loan. As you can tell, this wage is quite low. Savita knows that she will have to work very hard to complete harvesting on her own field and then work as a farm laborer for Tejpal Singh. The harvest time is very busy time. As a mother of three children, she has a lot of household responsibilities also. Savita agrees to these tough conditions as she knows getting a loan is difficult for a small farmer. So, getting loan. Now, you can understand here the condition of small farmer getting a loan is too much difficult. Now, students, see this one. Second one. Sorry, second point. In contrast, means opposite to the small farmers, the medium and large farmers have their own savings from farming. So those who are the large farmers and medium farmers, so they can save their money because of their land also more and their production also more. After selling their production they can earn good enough, so they can save as compared the small farmers. They are thus able to arrange for the capital needed, so they can arrange in next for next season. How do these farmers have their own savings? You shall find the answer in the next section. So you will read in next paragraph. Now here I am reading this one. Let's discuss the story so far. So whatever you have learned, whatever you have studied, on that basis you have to fill some blanks. So if you listen carefully, you can write yourself also. Among the three factors of production, we found that labor is the most abundant factor of production. There are many people who are willing to work as a farm laborers in the villages, whereas I am reading this one. Try to understand. There are many people who are willing to work as a farm laborers in the villages, whereas the opportunities of work are limited. They belong to either landless families or, now first filling the word, or families cultivating small plots of land. They are paid low wages and lead a difficult life. Now next one, this one. In contrast to labor, land, underline, okay, fill here, land is a scarce factor of production. Cultivated land area is less. Moreover, even the existing land is distributed unequally. Here two options, unequally and equally. So write down there unequally among the people engaged in farming. There are a large number of small farmers who cultivate small plots of land and live in conditions not much better than the landless farm laborer. To make the maximum use of the existing land, farmers use here. Now you can see next one, this one, sorry. Existing land farmers use a multiple cropping and modern farming methods. Both these have led to increase in production of crops. Are you understanding, students? Now this one. Modern farming methods require a great deal of capital. Here, capital. Small farmers usually need to borrow money to arrange for the capital and are put to great distress to repay the loan. Therefore, capital too is a scarce factor for production, particularly for the small farmers. Though, this one, both land and capital are scarce, there is a basic difference between the two factors of production. Land is a natural resource, whereas capital is man-made. It is possible to increase capital, whereas land is fixed. Therefore, it is very important that we take good care of land and other natural resources used in farming. So, students, here try to understand and in next clip we will read next paragraph.